Patio Homes by Meritage Homes today in Kemah Crossing here in Kemah, Texas. I wanted to show you two really nice plans by Meritage. I think you will really see excellent quality here by Meritage. I really enjoy the builder a lot and featuring them and showing them off. Two great plans, the Haven and the Retreat plan, which is the model that we will feature first so that you can see a fully furnished plan. And then this one here that you see back behind me, a 2,200 square foot plan, really nicely laid out, 2 stories, all of them. And if you're ready, let's go take a look at these. All right, welcome to the Retreat plan. This is one of Meritage's patio homes, and they go up to about 2,800 square feet in size, so a bit larger than the townhomes in this community. We're talking about 2021 square feet for this plan, 3 beds, 2.5 baths. There's a courtyard, what you just saw to the right, a mudroom, and a 2-car garage. Let me know what you think and enjoy. I hope you enjoyed that plan. Welcome next to the Haven. It is unique. It's got a really neat layout, a bedroom on the first floor, the courtyard as well that you see to the right-hand side. What I really wanted to show you about this plan was the enormous game room, lounge area on the second floor. I really think that they utilized that space well, and you can really do whatever you want in there. Another thing to note about these patio homes is they're really designed to save space and be less maintenance overall for the home buyer. You'll notice in the front that you do have the courtyard, but the driveway and the yard space in the front is much smaller. Let me know what you think. Enjoy.